Welcome back to the Synchronous Technologies channel. We're doing another video on Minecraft. This one is how to build the fastest elevator in Minecraft, and there's a lot of people out there trying to build the fastest one. This is definitely the fastest one. So the first thing that we need to do to pull this off is to get command blocks. And if you're not familiar with command blocks, they allow you to issue basically console commands in Minecraft. So the first thing that we need to do is to jump out to the server that we built and go into the server properties file, and you're going to make sure that you have this command, enable command block equals true. So you want to close the server, put that in the server properties file, start the server back up. Once you've done that and you're back in Minecraft, you need to issue the following command. It's give and then your name. I'm going to do @A because I'm the only person logged in, and then 137. And what that's going to do, if you notice down in my inventory, it just gave me a command block. Now if your inventory was full or for some reason it doesn't pop in there, it should show up over here in the survival inventory, but if not, you can search around for it, but it should be there. In our case, it put it right there. And the only other thing that we're going to need is a button. So I'm going to go over to the redstone inventory here and grab a button. And so we're going to basically use the command blocks to send ourselves to the top of this and then back down again. And so what we're going to need is the XYZ coordinates of the top and the bottom. So you want to walk right over to the base of wherever your elevator is taking off from and hit the F3 button. And it's better to do this against a black or dark background so you can see the numbers, but basically right here in the X coordinate you have in parentheses, you want the ones in parentheses. The Y usually doesn't, it's usually a fixed number because it's the number of blocks. And then Z will also be in parentheses, it's negative 73 here. So our coordinates at the bottom are 116, 63, negative 73. So you want to write that down. And then we're going to go to the top, and we're going to, which of course you need to be in creative mode because you need to be able to fly. You also need to be opt on the server. You can't do this as just a regular user. At least you can't build it, I think, as a regular user. You could walk on and actually use the elevator. So as you can see, it's a long way to the top of our elevator, observation tower, whatever we want to call it. And so I'm going to get up on top here. Now remember, when you're building one of these, if you do, that you can only build up to block 255. But the first time I built the observation tower at the very top, and then I couldn't build these blocks in the middle to be my control panel. So I'm going to break this block, and I'm going to create a command block here. Now the command block, to put a command in, you right click. So you right click it, and then we're here at the top, we're going to issue the command TP and then @P, which is, you'll see in the instruction, is the nearest player. And then we're going to put in the coordinates that we took from down below. So it's very important to write them down unless you can remember them. And so those are the coordinates, and we're going to click done. Now to activate this, we need a button or some sort of redstone device to give it power. So I'm going to put a button on the face of this, and just remember, in order, when you right click it, you get the command menu, so you have to hold the shift key down when you go to put the button on. So we'll switch to button, and we'll put the button on there. Now when I click this button, I'm at the base. Now we did make a mistake, and I didn't write down the coordinates when we were at the top, but it should be pretty simple because the only thing that's changed is the Y coordinate. It's the number of feet up and down. So we're just gonna use the same coordinates, but we're gonna use the middle one and make it 255, which is the top. Well, actually 253 is the floor of our observation tower. So we're gonna break this, put a command block in here, and then we're going to issue the the same command, but this time we're going to do 253, and that should literally put us right back where we started from. So again, remember, you have to hold the shift key down to put a button on. So we'll put the button there, and then we'll click the button, and we're at the top of the observation tower, and then we click this button and we're at the bottom. Pretty great, huh? 190 floors in 1 second. So anyway, it is the fastest elevator in Minecraft, hands down. So please subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. We're going to make some more cool videos using command blocks, so make sure you come back and check it out at our channel. Alright? Thanks for watching.